Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and play Minecraft for free on your Windows laptop or PC, using the official Minecraft free trial. First, open any web browser on your computer. Go to Google and search for Minecraft free trial. Open the official Minecraft.net free trial page. Make sure you're using the official Minecraft website. Once the page opens, scroll down until you see the free trial download options. Minecraft currently offers free trial downloads for both Minecraft Bedrock Edition and Minecraft Java Edition. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, choose the Windows option for the edition you want to try. Download the Minecraft launcher, or the installer provided by Minecraft. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Follow the installation steps and install the Minecraft launcher. Once the installation is complete, open the Minecraft launcher. You'll now need to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you already have one, sign in with your email address and password. If you don't have a Microsoft account, choose the option to create a new one and follow the steps. Once you're signed in, select Minecraft, Java Edition, or the available free trial option. If your account doesn't own Minecraft, you should see an option such as Play Demo or Play Trial. Click that option. Minecraft may need to download some additional game files, so wait for the installation to complete. Once it's ready, click Play Demo or Play Trial. Minecraft will now launch and you can start playing the free trial. Keep in mind that this is the official time-limited free trial, not the full paid version of Minecraft. The trial gives you roughly 100 minutes of gameplay, which is around 5 in-game days. Online multiplayer servers are not available during the free trial, although LAN multiplayer may still be available. If you decide you want the full game afterward, you can purchase Minecraft through the official launcher or Minecraft website. And that's how to download and play Minecraft for free on a Windows laptop or PC using the official free trial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.